Augmented Reality, AR, Augmented Reality, AR, is a technology that blends digital information, such as images, videos, or 3D models, with the real-world environment. AR overlays these digital elements onto the user's view of the physical world, typically through a device like a smartphone or AR glasses. Key characteristics of AR include 1. Real-world integration. AR enhances the user's perception of the real world by adding digital content, often in real time. 2. Interactive. Users can interact with AR elements, and these elements can respond to real-world changes or user input. 3. Various applications. AR has a wide range of applications, from gaming and education to navigation and design. For example, Pokémon Go is a popular AR game that overlays digital creatures in the real world. 4. Marker-based and markerless. AR can be marker-based, where it requires a specific trigger, like a QR code, to activate digital content, or markerless, where it recognizes objects and locations without markers. 5. Wearable devices. AR can be experienced through specialized AR glasses or headsets, like Microsoft HoloLens, as well as on smartphones and tablets. Virtual reality, VR, Virtual reality, VR, is a technology that immerses users in a computer-generated environment, completely replacing the real world. VR is often experienced through headsets or goggles that cover the user's field of view and may include motion tracking and haptic feedback for a more immersive experience. Key features of VR include 1. Immersive environment. VR creates a simulated environment that isolates the user from the physical world, providing a sense of presence in the virtual space. 2. Head tracking. VR headsets track the user's head movements to adjust the view within the virtual world, creating a 360-degree experience. 3. Interactive. Users can interact with the VR environment through hand controllers, gestures, or other input devices. 4. Gaming and simulations. VR is commonly used in gaming, training simulations, medical procedures, and architectural design, offering a deeply immersive experience. 5. Presence. VR aims to create a strong sense of presence, where users feel like they are inside the virtual environment. 6. Motion sickness. Some users may experience motion sickness in VR, especially if there's a disconnect between their physical movements and what they see in the virtual world. In summary, AR enhances the real world by overlaying digital content, while VR immerses users in a fully computer-generated environment. Both technologies have a wide range of applications and continue to evolve with advancements in hardware and software, offering exciting opportunities in various fields, from entertainment and education to business and healthcare.